Hi everyone and welcome to the Easy Red Mind tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you project finance from the project lifecycle perspective. The management of project finance starts right before the project initialization. It is the cost estimation phase. Even in this planning phase, you need to count the project costs. If you want to count the price of the project, our cost estimation tool is the best there is. Here are the tasks from my project template. Then you need to estimate the number of hours for each task. For that you can use the inline editation like this. Then there is the hourly rate, a discount if needed, and the final price. So these are the tasks from the project template, and here you can add some other calculation items, for example material, and then you just enter the price manually. So this project price estimation tool is there in order to calculate the cost of the project. These items are multiplied by the so-called external hourly rate. This is the rate we use for invoicing, and therefore it's external. So this is the first phase of our finance management. Then this calculation can be used as a price quotation for a client. You can add some executive summary or some notes, and then you can export it into a PDF and have a nice price quotation. So this is what we do before the project initialization. Then you can save this estimated price into your budget. So the second phase of our project finance management are budgets. Budgets work throughout the whole project realization phase. Here you've got the plan, which comes from the price calculation. What you calculated in the previous phase goes into incomes. Then there are wage expenses, and then there is profit, which is calculated as a difference between the internal and external hourly rate. Then you simply monitor the reality. So here you've got the manual income entries, which are basically invoices. Here you've got wage expenses. These wage expenses are calculated from the time that was spent on the project and multiplied by the hourly rate. There can also be some other expenses, such as subcontracts or any other. And during the project realization you monitor the profit and see whether the project is profitable or not. The hourly rate I have already talked about can be set in the money settings. Here you can define hourly rates by role, activity or user. As you can see, there are two different rates. One is internal and is used for calculating wage expenses, and the other one is external and can be used in cost estimations or for creating invoices. So these are two important rates that are within the system, and here you can define them in detail. So during the project realization you monitor how the budget evolves. If you have more simultaneous projects, you can generate such reports for the whole project portfolio. So here I can see all of my realization projects, and here what are the revenues, what are the expenses, and what is the profit. So this is the project realization phase. And now we will look into history and predictions. Here is the cash flow prediction. Cash flow prediction is made from the expected incomes and expected expenditures, which are displayed in time. Here I can see that the expected income of this project is a little over 4,000 euros. Here 6,000 and here 10,000. And also there are some expenditures. And here I can see the cash flow plan of the whole project portfolio. So the Easy Red Mind Finance Management helps you predict your cash flow in the future. Now I've just shown you the project realization phase, but let's assume we have some help desk or support project as well. In these projects we use a so-called budget sheet. This allows you to charge money for the work that has been done. So let me open the budget sheet, and here I've got a predefined filter, project number 1, and this filter shows me what work has been done on a particular project during the last month or any defined period of time. And then the time spent is multiplied by the external hourly rate, which gives you the price you're supposed to invoice to the client. This is a very useful feature for the support project. This gives you a report of the work that has been done, whether it was done within the SLA or not, and you know the exact amount you are supposed to invoice to customers. So this was a brief introduction to finance management in Easy Red Mind, which was done from the project lifecycle point of view. Thank you for watching.